So I got the valve cover off and on the bench. The engine's newer than the original one, and the original one would have had these plates on it, but the valve cover didn't have the holes. I've started drilling them already. The holes, you have to take the valve cover off because drilling the holes you're going to end up with metal flake falling through, and you certainly don't want that in your valves. So I've taken it off. I've ordered these funny rivets. Focus, there you go. They have this weird swirl on the bottom. They measure out to be about 4 millimeters. So I'm going to use a slightly smaller drill bit to drill into it, and then pound these in. And these I don't know what you call them, the I guess threads on the rivet will bite into the metal on the sides and hold it in place. At least that's the theory. Let's give it a try. Plastic off of it.